Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The dreaded Javac, file not found error in Java, diagnosis and cures. The Javac, file not found error in Java is a common stumbling block for both beginners and experienced developers. It signifies that the Java compiler, Javac, cannot be located by your operating system. This tutorial dives deep into the causes of this error, provides a systematic approach to diagnosing the problem, and offers a range of solutions with code examples and detailed explanations. Understanding the root cause. The Javac, file not found error essentially means that your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, can't find the Javac executable. Javac is a crucial part of the Java Development Kit, JDK, and is responsible for translating your human-readable Java source code, example myclass.java, into bytecode, myclass.class, that the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, can execute. There are several reasons why your system might not be able to find Javac. 1. JDK not installed *. The most obvious reason is that the JDK is simply not installed on your system. You need the JDK, not just the JRE, Java Runtime Environment, to compile Java code. 2. JDK installed, but not on the path *. Even if the JDK is installed, the directory containing Javac might not be added to your system's path environment variable. The path variable is a list of directories where the operating system searches for executable files. 3. Incorrect path configuration *. The path variable might be configured incorrectly, pointing to the wrong directory, or containing typos. 4. Multiple JDKs installed *. You might have multiple JDK versions installed, and the path variable is pointing to an older or incomplete installation. 5. Command prompt / terminal issues *. In some cases, the command prompt or terminal window might not be picking up the updated path settings after you've made changes. It often requires restarting the terminal. 6. Permissions issues, less common while less frequent. Sometimes file system permissions can prevent the terminal from accessing the Javac executable. A systematic approach to diagnosis. Here's a step-by-step approach to diagnose the root cause of the Javac, file not found error. Step 1, verify JDK installation. Check for JDK installation directory. Look for the JDK installation directory. Common locations are Windows *C /program files /java /JDK version, example C /program files /java /JDK 1.8.0_301 or C /program files /java /JDK 17.0.2. Mac OS */library /java /java virtual machine /JDK version.jdk /contents/home, example /library /java /java virtual machine /JDK 1.8.0_301.jdk /contents/home or /library /java /java virtual machine /JDK 17.0.2.jdk /contents/home, or, using brew prefix openjdk if installed with homebrew. You might also find it in /usr/libexec/java_home output. Linux *usr/lib/jvm/jdk version, example /usr/lib/jvm/java 11 openjdk AMD 64, this depends on the distribution and how you installed the JDK. Look for the Javac executable inside the JDK installation directory, navigate to the bin subdirectory. This directory should contain the Javac executable. Windows *javac.exe. Mac OS /Linux *javac. Step 2, Check the Java _ home environment variable, important. The Java _ home environment variable is widely used by build tools, like Maven, Gradle, and IDEs, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, VS Code, to locate the JDK. It's often a prerequisite for these tools to function correctly. Windows *. 1. Right-click on this PC, or my computer, on your desktop or in File Explorer. 2. Select Properties. 3. Click on Advanced System Settings. 4. Click on Environment Variables button. 5. In the System Variables section, look for a variable named Java _ home. 6. If it exists, verify that its value points to the JDK installation directory, example C /program files /java /JDK 17.0.2. Do not include the bin subdirectory. 7. If it doesn't exist, create a new system variable named Java _ home and set its value to the JDK installation directory. *macOS/Linux*. 1. Open a terminal window. 2. Execute the following command, echo $Java _ home. 3. If it returns an empty string or an incorrect path, Java _ home is not set or is incorrect. 4. To set Java _ home, temporarily for the current terminal session. Or export Java _ home equals $/usr/libexec/Java _ home, if using macOS's automatic JDK selection. 5. To make the setting permanent, you need to add the export Java _ home equals line to your shell's configuration file, example /bashrc, /zshrc, /profile. Step 3. Check the path environment variable. The path environment variable tells your operating system where to look for executable files when you type a command in the terminal. Windows *. 1. Using the same steps as in step 2, open the environment variables dialog. 2. In the system variables section, look for a variable named path, or path. It's case insensitive. 3. Select path and click edit. 4. Make sure that the directory containing javac.exe, example C /program files /java /JDK 17.0.2 /bin, is included in the list. 5. If it's missing, add it as a new entry. 6. Important * in newer versions of Windows, the entries are displayed in a list. In older versions, the entries are separated by semicolons. Be careful not to introduce any typos or remove any existing entries. *macOS/Linux*. 1. Open a terminal window. 2. Execute the following command, echo $path. 3. Verify that the directory containing Javac, example /library/java/java virtual machine /JDK 17.0.2.jdk/contents/home/bin or /usr/lib/jvm/java 11 openjdkamd64/bin, is included in the output. 4. To add the JDK spin directory to the path, temporarily for the current terminal session. Or export path equals $/usr/libexec/Java _ home, /bin $path if using macOS's automatic JDK selection. 5. To make the setting permanent, add the export path equals line to your shell's configuration file, example /bashrc, /zshrc, /profile. Make sure to place it after the Java _ home setting if you're setting that to. A common mistake is to add the bin directory to the path before setting Java _ home, so if Java _ home isn't set correctly, your path will be wrong. Step 4. Test the configuration. After making any changes to the Java _ home or path environment variables, you need to test if the configuration is working correctly. 1. Restart the command prompt /terminal *. This is crucial. The changes to environment variables often don't take effect in existing terminal windows. Close and reopen your command prompt or terminal window. 2. Verify Javac is found ***. Type Javac version in the command prompt or terminal. **. If Javac is correctly configured, it should display the version of the Java compiler, example Javac 17.0.2. If you still get Javac, file not found, double check the steps above, particularly the path configuration and restarting the terminal. 3. Verify Java is found ***. Type Java version in the command prompt or terminal. **. It should show the Java runtime version, indicating Java is running. Step 5. Compile and run a simple Java program, verification. To confirm that Javac is working correctly, compile and run a simple Java program. 1. Create a Java source file **. Create a file named hello-world.java with the following content. 2. Compile the Java file **. Open a command prompt or terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved hello-world.java, and execute the following command. If the compilation is successful, a file named hello-world.class will be created in the same directory. 3. Run the Java program **. Execute the following command. If everything is working correctly, you should see the output. Example, setting Java_home and path on Windows. Let's assume you have installed JDK17 in the directory C/program files /java /JDK17.0.2. 1. Set Java_home **. Create a system variable named Java_home with the value C/program files /java /JDK17.0.2. Note, no bin directory. 2. Add to path **. Edit the path system variable and add the following entry, C/program files /java /JDK17.0.2 /bin. 3. Restart command prompt * close and reopen your command prompt. 4. Verify **. Type Javac version. You should see something like Javac 17.0.2. Type Java version. You should see something like Java 17.0.2. Example, setting Java_home and path on macOS/Linux, using /.zshrc for zsh. Let's assume you have installed JDK17 in /library/java/java virtual machine /JDK17.0.2.jdk/contents/home. 1. Edit /.zshrc, or /.bashrik or /.profile. Open the file /.zshrc in a text editor, example nano/.zshrc, vim/.zshrc, code/.zshrc. Add the following lines to the end of the file. Or, for Mac OS with automatic JDK selection. Save the file. 2. Reload the shell configuration **. Execute the following command in the terminal, source/.zshrc, or source/.bashrik or source/.profile depending on which file you edited. 3. Verify **. Type echo $Java_home. You should see /library/java/java virtual machine /JDK17.0.2.jdk/contents/home. Type echo $path. You should see /library/java/java virtual machine /JDK17.0.2.jdk/contents/home/bin, or whatever your actual path is, included in the output. Type Javac version. You should see something like Javac 17.0.2. Asterisk type Java version. You should see something like Java 17.0.2. Troubleshooting tips. Asterisk typos. Asterisk double check for typos in the Java_home and path variables. Even a single incorrect character can cause problems. Asterisk incorrect directory. Asterisk make sure you are pointing to the correct JDK installation directory and the correct bin subdirectory. Asterisk missing semicolons. Windows, older versions. In older versions of Windows, the entries in the path variable are separated by semicolons. Make sure you haven't accidentally removed any semicolons. Asterisk terminal/command prompt not restarted. Asterisk this is a frequent cause of frustration. Always restart the terminal/command prompt after changing environment variables. Asterisk conflicting JDKs. Asterisk if you have multiple JDKs installed, ensure that the Java_home and path variables are pointing to the correct one you want to use. Use the Java control panel, if installed, to manage JDKs. Asterisk homebrew on macOS. Asterisk if you installed the JDK using homebrew, the path will be different. Use brew prefix openjdk to find the installation directory. Asterisk IDE configuration. Asterisk if you are using an IDE, you may also need to configure the JDK within the IDE settings. Each IDE has its own specific way of managing JDKs. Common mistakes to avoid. Asterisk setting Java_home to the bin directory. Asterisk Java_home should point to the root of the JDK installation, not the bin subdirectory. The bin directory is added to the path variable. Asterisk forgetting to restart the terminal. Asterisk changes to environment variables will not take effect in existing terminal windows. Asterisk mixing JDK and JRE. Asterisk you need the JDK to compile Java code. The JRE is only for running precompiled Java programs. Make sure you have installed the JDK. Asterisk incorrect shell configuration file. Asterisk if you are setting environment variables permanently on macOS/Linux, make sure you are editing the correct shell configuration file, example/bashrc/.zshrc/.profile. The correct file depends on the shell you are using. Asterisk not using the correct syntax. macOS and Linux must have the correct environment variables set with correct syntax. By following this detailed guide and carefully checking each step, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the Javac, file not found error and get back to writing Java code without further frustration. Remember to always restart your terminal after making changes to environment variables. Good luck.